Hi, it's Nikisha again from Unity Handmade. I have another unboxing video. This time I ordered from the Sea Salt Co. Let me turn it this way. The Sea Salt Co. Clay Emporium. They are based in Florida. So I'm going to go ahead and get the box opened and show you what I ordered. I keep forgetting everything I ordered, so I'm always surprised when I open up these boxes. All right, here is the packaging. Let's see. Enjoy this freebie. Please check out our Instagram for any ideas or instructions on how to use. This is a clover, right? Y'all let me know if I'm calling this the right thing. Okay, that's a nice freebie. And it says thank you on the tissue paper. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's tiny, y'all. If y'all have heard in my other videos about how off I am when it comes to sizing, I could be looking at a ruler and I would still think something was larger than what it really was. This is a horseshoe cutter. I want to make some earrings for football season, and one of the teams in my area, they are the Stallions. So I got this horseshoe cutter, and then it came with this precious stamp that you place on the clay after you cut it out. So I'm excited to do that because I've never made like themed earrings like for football or anything like that. These are excuse me for a moment. These are bookmark cutters. Oh, that's small. Ooh, okay, got distracted. But these are bookmark cutters. This one is just a plain rectangle, and then this one has the daisy motif, which I thought was adorable, so I got that. They also had strawberries, which were really cute. This is to help you cut straight lines, and y'all, or actually you make the impression and then you cut it out with your blade. But again, I should have looked at a ruler, and it's very small in between to kind of make a gingham print or checkerboard print. But I like having the multiple sizes if I do order another one, which I likely will. I don't know what this is, so how do I get it out? Okay, open it this way. This might be a texture mat. Yes, this is the sandpaper texture mat. I've tried with real sandpaper to create texture and it hasn't worked. I don't know what this is. I guess I'll need to wash it. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's probably residue from manufacturing. I don't know what that is in between there. Anyway, I like the feel of this. It's very sturdy. And I got the coarse, oh, never mind. It says fine grit sandpaper. So this is the fine grit sandpaper texture. Okay. What is that? Oh, my maple leaf cutter. Okay. I don't know if I'm going to take everything out because of all the rattling, but I'll try to figure something out. Okay, what I decided to do was just dump everything in the box. Alright, let's start over here. This is small. Oh my gosh, y'all. I need, like I said about me measuring things. This is to make a book. I did not think it was going to be this tiny. And it looks bigger on the camera, but in person it's just so small. Like, here's a comparison with my pinky finger. And I have child size hands. Like, I can fit child gloves. So I have a small hand. but I feel like this is still perfect for what I need. This, I'm going to be honest, I don't know what this is. I think that it goes with this. Yes, okay. This is to make the book pages, and this is the book. Okay, there we go. Got that settled. Again, another one of our football teams where I live, they're very popular, and their mascot is the elephant. So I have some elephant, like a geometric elephant. And so I'll probably make them into studs or something like that. This is a macrame rainbow arch cutter. And I have yarn and twine and all kinds of stuff to loop through there and tassels and whatnot. This is a maple leaf cutter. It is too big for what I ordered it for. I'm going to go back to her website to see if she has a smaller one, but I needed one that was about the size of this right here. So I'll go look to see if I can get a smaller one. I can still use this one, but it's still larger than the project I had in mind. This looks like a rainbow arch, but this is a paper clip cutter, like for paper clip earrings. But I'm going to see if I can use it as a bookmark too. So I'll let you know if that works out. These are on rings, or actually this is an earring hook, or it's like a wine charm. Okay, so this is to cut out the books for the bookshelf cutters. This one is a pencil. They look so big online. They really do. Yeah, this is a pencil. I am a former teacher, and I wanted to make some back to school earrings. This is a book to go with this, I believe, or it's like the bar to go across here. I don't really know. This is the tip of the pencil to go there. And then this is the edge of the, of the eraser. There we go. So let me load this back up. Okay. On this charm, we have my butterfly cutter. Or does this just leave the impression? Does it cut out and leave the impression? I'm going to have to test this out to see if it does both. Hopefully it does. But it's just a single butterfly wing. I don't know if she had it mirrored online. I'll check and see if she does, because I think this is one that I would want to have mirrored. This, I got this so I can make little bow studs. I thought it was going to be a little bit bigger, like with the space in between the top and bottom of the bow. And so now I don't know what size stud post I can use. Okay. Here we go with me and my sizing. This is supposed to be a bookshelf cutter, but I don't know why I thought they were, again, a little bit bigger. Y'all, I am just going to have to pull out my, what is it called? My ruler. Okay, this is a hexagon bookcase. This one is a circle bookcase, and this one is a heart bookcase. My plan is to make book lover earrings, and here are the little books that fit on the shelf. So I am pleased. I do like the sizes, even though I keep saying they're so small. I do like the sizes of everything. Let's see. This is my favorite the bow is my favorite, and then the pencils and this are my favorite so far. I have not tried them out. When I do, you will know because I will make a video about it. And then I will also make a video testing this tool out because I think this will be useful, especially with how many lines you can cut out at a time that are just perfectly straight. And then I'll also do some videos about how to make bookmarks. My mom and I love to read. Well, as you can see, inspired by the bookmark cutters. Yeah, so this came from the Sea Salt Co. Here is the website, theseasaltco.com. And then they also have Instagram, Facebook, and you can find them on Pinterest. They are a small business in Florida, and I will be testing these out, getting ready for a market in October. Right now, it's July of 2023. So I will be using all of these supplies, or most of them, to make jewelry, mainly earrings, for a market that I have coming up. So here's everything again. Little horseshoe and everything. This is the size I thought it would be. Everything else is just super small. At least in my head, it's small. Okay, and then, ooh, I'm excited about this. Again, I guess I need to clean it. I don't know. Because it has, like, something crusty right there. But I guess I'll clean it first before I use it, which is fine. But yeah, thank you for watching. Again, I'm Nikisha from Unity Handmade. This order came from the Sea Salt Co. And I am so excited to use everything in this box. Alright, bye.